Okay, y'all, let's get dirty in our kitchen counter talks, where every counter tells a story. So today, we picked some corn to go along with our burgers tonight. Oh my gosh, is that awesome? I am currently canning some salsa and some beans and some tomato juice. So I'm waiting for that to do its thing. I have some elderberry syrup boiling and simmering down so that I can get it to cool down and strain it. I made some tea today because we need a little help with the antihistamine, with the allergies going on and stuff like that. I made some honey butter rolls today. I made some rolls in the bread maker. Let's see what we've got here. So here's the rolls that I made in the bread maker. We have a dirty table. We have apple pie tomorrow to take over to family. Back over to the kitchen. So then we have lots of dishes we have to put away. We've got some kombucha that I strained that the kids got to finish off. I'm also making some soap today, so there's some lard that I measured out, again with a messy counter. And then we also have a little bit remaining of our, let's see, dragon fart salsa. So the husband requested that. Oh, let's go over here to some more mess. Some UPS returns and some compost and some slop for the pigs. You gotta love it around here. Messy time. This is September.